we have is called Melt Away. I have milk chocolate by Caribou, again premium chocolate, so that is what adds the taste. This is 250 grams of chocolate with 63 grams of coconut oil. We're just gonna start and melt this in the microwave. With chocolate, you go slow and steady. You don't put it in for 1 minute, it will burn off. Okay, so 30 seconds stir, 30 seconds stir, till the time it kind of melts completely. So it will start melting slowly. Just keep stirring it. Okay, so my chocolate is completely melted now. It's more flowy because it has coconut oil that has melted as well. I will now add my praline paste to it and mix it vigorously. I don't know if you can see, but the texture of the chocolate is kind of changing. See, it's not as flowy anymore. I have a frame with me. You can use any tray, plate, anything that you have at home. I've just put some cling wrap at the bottom just so that it does not flow out. I'm just going to pour this mix into this, let it set. It takes a little while for the chocolate to set. So you just kind of, so that there's no air bubble inside. This is how it will look. Once it sets, you can just put a knife through the sides and it will come out. So this is the kind of chocolate slab you will get. I'm just going to cut and pass it around for taste, and then we'll do it with some hot chocolate as well. So it's very easy to cut.